Remember, everybody?
Everyone who's taken part in tonight. That's all we have time for this week, I'm afraid. I'd like to thank everyone who's...
I'd like to thank. Remember, she always says it. I'd like to thank, but never actually does it. Very clever. Very clever. And that's for her own amusement, because everybody else thinks that she's thanked people. She's just doing it for her own... You know, like if you're a chef in a restaurant just spitting in people's food just because you can. You don't tell anybody. You don't tell it. You wait until everybody's away and you spit in the food. By the way, I just wanted to do a quick poll. I was actually going to ask this. I forgot about this all day. If you were a chef, would you spit in the food just for the hell of it, because you can? The poll is on. I'll go with yes. %15% so far. 32 people have said yes, I would. How's it gone? Randomly? I just don't give a fuck. No, to like to get some prick back. Like, oh, who was it? Oh, I fucking hate that guy, him there. Right, that food's gone to him. Aye, right. Just randomly. So it looks like 15% is kind of staying at that. So far it's 51 people, 53. I'll end the poll there. 15% of this community would spit in the food just for the hell of it, randomly, just because you can. And there'll be people who would but don't want to vote that way in case they think it's going to get back to them. Because maybe they are chefs. Could be that. Is this incitement? Nope.